Want to optimize your recovery, sleep, and training? Three major players are competing for your wrist: Welltory, Athlytic, and Whoop. Each takes a different approach to tracking your health, but which one actually delivers? Let's break it down. So Welltory is a comprehensive health monitoring app that uses heart rate variability to provide insights into stress, energy levels, and overall well-being, integrating data from over 120 different devices, including Apple Watch, Samsung Watch, Fitbit, and Garmin. Athletic is essentially a Whoop alternative that offers analysis of sleep, HRV recovery, trends, and workout performance, combining sleep and recovery data in one place. Whoop is a fitness tracker, an app combo especially popular among athletes, focusing on three main metrics: strain, recovery, and sleep. Athletic costs just $3.99 monthly or $29.99 annually. That's bargain territory. A whole year of Athletic is $35, which equals to just 1 month of Whoop paid monthly. Welltory offers free options, but premium features require subscription. Whoop, you're locked into around $30 monthly with no upfront hardware costs. But it's an ongoing commitment. Here's where it gets interesting. In direct testing, Whoop was much more accurate in how the recovery measurement reflected how someone felt physically to take on their day, while Athletic under-assessed readiness and recovery. Whoop's sleep tracking seems slightly more accurate with really good battery life. However, Welltory tries to do more than functionality-wise, though the design feels heavily influenced by scientists and engineers rather than user experience experts. Making decisions is easier with Athletic. You can look on one screen and see 9 pieces of pertinent data in a clean design that makes it simple to see any negative indicators, while Welltory provides a wealth of information on overall health, not specifically designed for athletes or fitness enthusiasts looking for detailed workout analytics. Whoop's wearables doesn't have a display, which encourages users to focus on data in the app rather than being distracted by notifications. But there's the downside. Some users find the Whoop strap itchy and the subscription model unnecessary for this type of device. Athletic greets you with a written summary for the day ahead when you awake, putting all stats into words that updates throughout the day. The final verdict: choose Whoop if you are an athlete or serious fitness enthusiast looking to optimize physical performance with the most accurate recovery tracking. Pick Athletic if you already own an Apple Watch and want a one-stop shop for Whoop functionality at a fraction of the cost. Go with Welltory if you want comprehensive health monitoring that integrates data from multiple sources for a holistic view on your well-being. The bottom line: for serious athletes, Whoop's accuracy justifies the cost. For budget-conscious Apple Watch users, Athletic delivers 80% of the value at 10% of the price. For holistic health tracking beyond just fitness, Welltory wins. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.